What's up guys, Nax Tech here, and in this video I'm going to be testing out the Opera, however you say it, browser for my Nexus 10 tablet, because a lot of people have been asking me if I should test it out, and I finally decided to test it out. So let's have a look. Basically I downloaded both the Opera Mobile and the mini version, and I just want to show you a quick difference between the two. So the mobile version is what I would assume you're meant to use, because if you go into the O here and click settings, advanced, you get your stuff like user agent and cool things like that, which you don't get in the mini version. However, let me show you a benchmark site that I like to use. Not really a benchmark site, but it's good to test. The Verge. And here we go. Let's load up the Verge first. I've never been a massive fan of Opera, if you want me to be honest with you. I never really got what people love about it. I'd much prefer Dolphin and AOSP browser. You can see how long it's taking here. I don't know what the hell it's doing right now. There we go. Okay, the Verge is loading up. You can see the blue bar is taking its time at the top. It hasn't broken any records or anything like that. Let's test out the scrolling performance. It's okay, but I think it's a bit jitter. I mean, look at that. It's, stuff like Dolphin and Ocean browser performed beautifully on this website. I do not like the way this is performing at all. You can see it's jittering all over the place. To me, it's unusable. I know it's still loading, but it's been loading for so damn long. So let's try pinch to zoom. In fact, let me just press the X here and stop it loading. Maybe that'll help it a little bit, but not overly. So let's try the pinch to zoom here. Yeah, again, just an unresponsive mess. I don't know if that's optimization. I've never seemed to get this browser to work well for me, but that is that version. Now, I downloaded the mini version just to see the differences, and this is kind of, just for phones and mobile websites, because if you go to settings, I haven't found a way to change the user agent. You can see there is no options in any of these to change the user agent, which it was in the other one. However, I much prefer this browser. Let's check it out. Let's do the same thing and go ahead and go to the Verge. I know I've already loaded it, but this isn't really a speed test or anything like that, so who cares? Is that going? Go. Okay, I think it's going now. I like the way it does that. It like pans across and it's loading the website. Again, it's not breaking any speed records doing this, but let's test out the performance of the mini browser. Okay, so it hasn't really loaded the website properly yet. Okay, there we go. Is that it? Yeah, much better. So it's had some rendering issues, but let's test the performance. You can see that it hasn't loaded the things, but then they come into view once it loads a little bit more. Again, I don't like that. The other browsers handle it a lot better, but this is a lot smoother than the Opera Mobile. That's for definite. So I don't know what's happening there. And the pinch to zoom is just butter on this browser than it was on the Opera Mobile one. So, or Opera Mobile, however you say it. I'm just going to keep saying it wrong. I'm sure somebody's going to call me on it. So I don't know why that is, but if I had to go ahead and tick it down here, otherwise I would have got the mobile version of the site. And sometimes you can't get sometimes there isn't a link to the full website on some websites like Google+. So that is really frustrating. So this is definitely for me, or on the Nexus tablet, better than Opera Mobile, which I thought would be better. You can see here the difference is just horrible, really. Yeah, it's unusable. I did a browser benchmark on this and I couldn't do it on the other one. It just crashed out. So if I go over to get rid of that. We'll do a JavaScript performance test. You can see the pinch to zoom just losing frames all over the place for me. And you can see here the benchmark is running. And we're back with the results, guys, and it scores 760. What? 976, sorry. That was a complete brain fart there. But again, it's not breaking any records whatsoever. I've seen this tablet get as low down as 740 in other browsers. So Yeah, I don't know what the fuss is about with this browser. It's not performing well. I tried to do the same test on Opera Mini and it did not want to run. I'll show you. I mean, I definitely prefer Opera Mini. It seems faster here. I love the way it just kind of fades in and out when you load the website. So I'll run the same benchmark here. And last time I ran this, it just didn't run it. It just got stuck. And let's see if it does any better. Yeah, it just got stuck here. So I don't know, but I've left it on that before and it just got stuck for ages. So, and that's my phone ringing. So yeah, guys, I'm stuck with this. It doesn't do anything, but let's try some more websites on this one, and then I'll try them again on the other one, and we'll see what happens. So we'll try androidcommunity.com. Watch how it fades from the right to the left. It's kind of cool. That's really nice. And it's much faster loading as well. And again, the scrolling is really nice here. But you can see as I do it quickly, the images kind of disappear and load in. So that's a little bit strange, and I don't know if I like it. I definitely am not going to be swapping this browser for my Dolphin with Jetpack. It's just not as good in my opinion. And again, I'm going to go ahead and try it on the Opera Mobile. Okay, so it definitely took longer. I mean, you can see it took longer, right? It was the same website. It just seems to take forever on the stupid loading thing. I don't know what it's doing. This browser just annoys me. In terms of scrolling here, though, it's better than the Verge website I went to. But the pinch to zoom, you can see it's okay, but it's definitely juddering. You can see it judder, whereas on the Opera Mini here, it's epically smooth. I mean, you can see there's a major difference here. Even though this is meant to be the main browser, I don't understand what's happening with that. Now, one person commented and wanted me to try the Google Plus website and see how it handles it. And let's go ahead and do that. What am I doing? Right, Google Plus. Invalid URL. Yeah, that annoys me as well. You have to go over here to search Google. Come on, man. Should all be in one bar. Stupid. It's what I hate about my iOS devices, the fact that they don't search in the bar. But anyway, let's test this out. I'm already signed in. I can't do it on the other browser because it always goes to the mobile site, and I haven't found a way to not make it go on the mobile site because there isn't a thing on the bottom of this that says it'll work. So here it is. And I've tested this on Chrome as well, and Chrome does perform really well on the Google Plus website. I'm not impressed with how this is performing. I mean, let's just try and... I'm just going to write a comment on here saying, see if I can write a comment, and let's see if it'll work. I'm already having a little bit of an issue here. All right, here we go. I probably shouldn't have closed the keyboard. Come on, see, look how frustrating this is. Oh, screw you. All right. Oh, damn. Okay, I want to post that. Let me post. Post comment. Post comment. Post comment? No, see, it's just not, it doesn't work. It's just a pile. It doesn't work on this website. Its performance is horrible. I wouldn't touch this with anything because it's disgusting. I mean, it cancelled it finally, but it's horrible there. Let me just show you that on Chrome, just because the guy that I was speaking to was trying this on Chrome. And you can see it is the proper version. Already smoother, already looks nicer. Let me try on that same story now and write a comment. And I'll write the same comment. Oh, damn. Post comment. Posted and done. You can see it there. So, yeah, I don't even want to try. I mean, you can see I had to reload there. That was Chrome being gay as well. Like I said, that's why my main browser is Dolphin, because it's so much better than pretty much all of these browsers. Opera Mobile, I mean, that had to reload there. That sucked. I'm just not impressed with the Opera stuff at the moment, or Opera, whatever. The mini browser is a lot better. So if you definitely have to use one of these browsers, use the mini one. The other one's an absolute mess. But this one doesn't have a UA string. I mean, I could just be blind and not seeing it, or there might be a way to do it, but I can't see one here. Whereas when you go into this one and go, oh my God, this one's just such a mess of software. I'm actually just getting really frustrated with it right here. All right, that's it. I'm done with it. Done with it. Basic story, don't go with Opera Mobile, Opera Mobile, or any of, just don't go with them. Just go for Dolphin and Jetpack. It's just better. Okay, guys? So, yeah. See you guys later.